Hashtag why.
Ang mahal ng character ko dito is Ping Ronquillo. He's some college student. I don't know, I could describe him as young. Like, he doesn't know the real world yet kasi mayaman siya, may kaya. So, like, parang na-pamper siya. Like, he's in a pampered environment. Na parang spoon-fed sa kanya lahat. So, I don't know, somehow he got into drugs. And then parang he's the first one to do drugs in the group, first one to lose his virginity, first one to... Basta, he's that kind of guy na parang sa barkada, siya yung influence sa let's do this, let's do that, let's do this. Tapos hanggang just all turn around in the movie.
Ito yung first movie mo, tama ba? O hindi? Hindi na.
First movie for Cinemalaya, yes.
How's it like?
Masaya, actually, honestly, I enjoy Cinemalaya, Cinemalaya more, like these kinds of films. It's more to life, it's more real, like real emotions. I'm not trying to... It's just real. That's what I like about it.
May issue dati na ikaw yung nahuli dati sa isang music festival. Anong masasabi mo doon?
Was there any confirmation?
So you're saying it's not the case?
Well, I could say, was there any confirmation? I could say there was none.
Naapektuhan ka ba na nung time na ikaw yung lumalabas sa Blind Item?
It's just something that would make me stronger in the future and think about things properly, you know? It's just something to think about in my life and make it all better.
Pero you wanna clear things that it is not you, or you either confirm or not confirm yet?
I don't have to say anything. I mean, I'm here right now, I'm doing this film and I'm happy that I'm back. That's it, that's all that matters.
Hindi ka ba natatakot kasi yung role mo nga parang into drugs, tapos makakalig ka ulit sa issue na yun?
Baka ibalik nila or something.
They can link me all they want, but honestly, this is a film and this is acting. So if they'll bring that up, it's like saying that I'm a drug addict, just because of the film, and they'll judge me for the film. I'm just gonna say it's acting. This acting is like going through experiences in your life, and as you get better in acting, you also like have more experiences in life. That's why you're like this. You can perform like this in the movie, you know. It's just we go through all these things in life that we learn from and move on from.
Lesson learned from that experience, or
Of course.
from that issue. Ano yung lesson learned?
All that I just said.
Pero were you there dun sa film? Yung sa festival din, music festival?
Yes, I was there.
Mahal ba? Paano ka naapektuhan nun nung lumabas yung issue? How did you handle it?
As I said, it didn't affect me. That's it.
Hindi ka ba?
I didn't think about it. As I said, it did not affect me.
May message ka ba sa mga tao na nag-iisip na ikaw nga?
Just watch my movie. That's it.
Okay, thank you.